Let's look at this question on solving equations. So the question is solve 6 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power x, giving your answer to 3 significant figures. Okay. So whenever you have a power as a variable, as one of my teachers used to say, hit it with a log. Okay, we're going to hit it with a log. That means you're taking log on both sides. So you can say log of, you can write, okay, natural log, because in calculus it's better to write in natural log. So ln, or natural log of 6 to the power x plus 1, my pen tool is playing up, is equal to natural log of 3 to the power x plus 1. So applying the third, or the log rule, so this is x plus 1 natural log of 6 is equal to x. Oh, I have done a mistake here. This is not x plus 1, this is only x. So this is x, so you got an x here. So this is 3 natural log of, my pen tool is playing up for some reason, so this is 3 natural log of 3. So this should be x natural log of 3. Now I'm going to bring this x down, or dividing both sides by x. It will be x plus 1 over x is equal to natural log of 3 divided by natural log of 6. So what I've done is I divided both sides. So let me show you that. So let me use a different color. I've divided both sides by x times natural log of 6. So this side I'm dividing by x times natural log of 6. Okay, so what happens is, let me use a different color, so black. So this natural log of 6 will cancel with this, and x gets cancelled. So let me bring back my blue color. So you got x plus 1 over x is equal to natural log of 3 divided by natural log of 6. So let me get a calculator out, which is natural log, nu, 1 natural log of 3 natural log of, the calculator is playing up, natural log of 3 divided by natural log of 6 equal 0.61 61315. I'll remember that. 0.61315. I've written up 4 decimal or 5 decimal places. Okay, and now I'm going to cross multiply. So x plus 1 is equal to 0.61315x, and bringing so I can say 1x minus 0.61315x is equal to negative 1. Okay, so now you got 1 take away 0.61315 gives me 0.38625, 0.38685, 0. Keep forgetting the number, 38685. 38685 x is equal to negative 1, and dividing both sides by this number, x is negative 1 over 0.38685. So again, get the calculus. This is 0.38685, so that's right. So minus 1, okay, oops, so it's minus 1 divided by 0.38685. Execute. which is minus 2.58 in three significant figures. It will be minus 2.58 minus 2.58. So x is minus 2.58, which is in three significant figures. So this is your answer. Okay. Okay, so the pen tablet is not working. Okay, let me do one more question. Square root of x, square root of x, square root of 2x minus 1 is equal to x minus 2. So I'm going to square both sides. So square root of 2x minus 1 squared is equal to x minus 2 squared. So the square root will get cancelled or will be removed. So you got 2x minus 1 is equal to, when you expand this, you should know this is x squared minus 4x plus 4. So let me make a quadratic equation. So this will be 0 is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus 2x plus 1. Therefore, this will become x squared minus 2x minus 4x minus 2x is minus 6x plus 5. Am I right? Yeah. And now you have to factor is equal to 0, of course. So now the two factors, which gives you minus 6. This is level 1 or year 10 factorization. So x is equal to 5 or x is equal to 1. Now which of them is acceptable? So if you put 5 here, if you put 5, it does work. 2 times 5 is 10, so it's a positive number. But if you put 1, then also it works. Okay, so let us check which of them is acceptable. So if, say, x is 5, if x is 5, this is the left hand side would become square root of 10 minus 1, which is 9, and which is 3, plus or minus 3. Okay, and your right hand side becomes 5 minus 2, which is 3. So this does work. But what happens? So let us say if x is 1, what happens? When x is 1, the left hand side will become square root of 2 times 1 is 2 minus 1, which is 1, which is plus or minus 1. And if you put 1 here, 1 minus 2 is negative 1. Okay, so here when you have both, the answers seems to be right, because here if you are taking only the positive root, if you're taking by only the positive root, only this is true. So I would say both the answers are right, because here in this case you're getting only 3. If you take 3, this is right. Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, so I would accept both the answers to be true. See you in the next video.